Hello guys. Good day and good night, ladies and gentlemen. I am Louis, the man with no dignity. You can't even trust me. Trust me. May I? Safety first. For your information, here in Bo Island Jacob Rick, we have a good coach from the Petronas Hearts and Mind program. Not even close to good. He is great and I learn lots and lots from him, from how he engage with people and with myself. Thank you. Then we come out with a plan to do the sharing experience showcase, just to share our experience and hope can inspire people and develop personal awareness. He is the man and this is the way. Shout out to IRYO Chang Kwan. Here is some video from our last presentation at Bo Island, please.
Now, where is your family now? So, what is the people out there is, can we look into tasks more important? That's why this session you are here, we want to gain some value from our time here. Yeah? And this is our tagline. This is why we want all of us to share this. We want to go home safer, happier, and healthier. So, these three words, I'm sure all of us want to be of it, right?
Alright, as you are all aware, I am going to talk about life. Life itself that brings us alive, and nobody will help us. Depending in yourself is the key to survive in this current problematic situation, the pandemic and the oil and gas cycles. Safer, happier and healthier, that will bring us to the top. Agree? I am more than agree, and it is a fact. Cut the bullshit. We go straight. The mind, body, soul, and spirit. What we know and what we don't know about it. Lots and lots, my friends. Hearts and mind. Alright, sound familiar, right? How about audio visual? When there are no audio, visual is nothing. But somehow, audio can survive on its own. Just like we, the people with mind, can simply forget about what we listen if we don't understand better how hard take part in approving everything's mind's doing. You do it on your own without being forced. Nature of human, we tend to not to do what people want us to do, yet we experience it to approve it in our life. Here we go again. 30 days in offshore, and we know that time is money, time is gold. Life here at offshore and at the onshore could have been the same, but here we can concentrate on how we gonna make our life more than alive as we are at onshore, because we can't simply waste our 30 days of life here in offshore without digging more into our potential that could develop ourselves. And here we thinking of, instead of being safe, healthy and happy, we pushing more to be safer, healthier and happier, and those can be done by take care of ourselves. As a start, we can learn how to make our body fit and become healthier. If we become healthier, we are simply feeling more happy. And with all those, we become more safer because we love ourselves more than before. And it's all a cycle. Just like the argument of egg and chicken. Which one comes first? Well, I don't know. I'm a moron, guys. Check this out, a little video from my last presentation at Bo Island.
When we talk about happier, healthier and safer, we need to relate it to our life. When we relate it to our life, relate also to our work, to our walking, to our life. This is our life. The real life is our life, you know? It's not like when you go home, that is your life. No. Here is to stay here to communicate with people, engage. You know, engage in that to be excel. It's like in Islamia we have this program, engage to excel. So if you become happier because you know what you're doing right. If you're doing catering, you know what you're doing, and then by the time you improve, you're happy. If you feel happy, you will become healthier. And if you become healthier, just like Sandeep, you will become safer. You know, you become alert. Fitness, you can do whatever you want. Then this is like from zero. I mean, you are
Here at Offshore, we can start socialize with our friend because here at Offshore, we are one family. One, we care for each other, we share the good things and we mentor others so we can grow together and have a meaning in life. I will be happier than ever if I can touch someone's heart by sharing my experience and teaching the lesson that I have learned. We can avoid mistake and the most important is we can use our time perfectly and productive. Don't think all of this is for the sake of our company. This is for yourself, your family, relative and friend. Be happy. If you want to be happy, be. Approach your friends more frequently and try to have deep conversation. It's helpful and can be a therapy. We must know how to manage the stress and not just force. Then we can be happier, healthier and safer. In real life, we facing much challenge and to face the challenging world, yet we need to have our own tools, ways of thinking. This come another super tools that people are teaching us all around the oil and gas industry. The plan, brief, education and debrief. For example, I came out with an idea to do the YouTube video. How am I gonna do it? Just do it? Record and upload? No, it's not simple as that, my friend. I need to have a plan. I need to plan my strategy. I need to write it down, my screenwriting or imagining how I'm gonna shoot the video. Then I reread the idea, the plan before execute my shooting. After shooting done, I will edit it again and again, then upload it to YouTube. Once in a while, rewatch and analyze what have I done right and wrong to improve my production skill. Put it into your heart and let the time decide. This is the same as in the rig. We need the plan, brief, execute and debrief just like in our own life. The result is amazing. We need to plant the seed to be more disciplined in doing anything in our life if we want to become a successful person. Let's grow together and have a challenge journey to the top. As a start, we can simply start by make your bed the first thing when you wake up and feels happy. Yes. Keep hustling, keep inspired and never give up. We are all family and I believe we can do it. Sekian, terima kasih. Thank you very much dan tetap merdeka. Ciao.